So with the banded sidewalk, what we want to focus on, guys, is keeping a wide stance. Now in this position, we want to pretend we're going into a deadlift. So we're going to go into a hip hinge. So the hips will come back until you feel a stretch in the hamstring and the glutes. Now once you feel this stretch, this is a good position to start in. Now as we take our first step, we're going to lead with the knee. We're not going to lead with the ankle, as I see a lot of people do. I don't want this to happen. We want to lead with the knee, and I want that ankle to move with the knee. So as we step towards my left, we're going to shift. Body will shift as well. And notice how this back leg as well is not coming in. We're keeping this back leg nice and out as well. So the way it's going to look is we're going to step nice and strong, and then small step with that following leg. Step, and then small step with that following leg. We don't want to drag, okay? No dragging along here. And the main muscles you should be feeling are the muscles on the side of your hip. Give it a go.